entitled and allowed to have different points of view. The second level of conflict, it becomes a little bit more aggressive, and it focuses on already straight judgment, creating a judgment. I know, you don't know. I am right, you are wrong. The third level of conflict is already a slight threat. You better do what I think because you don't know how to do it. So then it's imposed aggressiveness. And the fourth level of conflict is the level of the sanctions, and the threat now turns into sanctions. If you don't do what I ask you to do, I will punish you, and these are the sanctions imposed. The fifth level is the level of war. No negotiations, and therefore when sanctions are imposed, the war happens. We must be aware about one thing, about our approach to conflict. We must decide, what is our approach? Is it a win-lose situation? Is it lose-lose situation? Or is it win-win situation? In order to do that, we must use 7 levels of problem solving. The first thing is identify your problem. The second is, after identifying your problem, analyze the problem. Third, create few best solutions regarding your problem. Go ask people, see how others have solved similar problems. And then, after you have similar, decide which solution you want to select, and therefore go for it. And the fifth is evaluate your solutions. Are they the right solutions? What's at stake? What is the outcome? And then implement your solution. And after you implement your solution, then again, evaluate. If plan A didn't work, go to the plan B, and then create an action plan and move forward. Before you implementing, create an action plan, then implement your solution and come to your conclusions. So always plan A, plan B, and plan C. When one plan doesn't work, it always second or third may work. Conflicts are there to teach us lessons. How we use it is up to us. We become winners only if we proceed and if we use the approach and style to solve the conflict. For example, competitive aggressive. I want my way or no way. It is to be done my way. It's pushing. These type of leaders push through and force the decisions. The second style of conflict is a collaborative style. Let us work together, let us both sides give the best we can, and let us share the success. This is a win-win situation. The compromising style is again another style where one side has to give up something in order to please the other side. So it's a win-lose situation. And the last style is accommodating style. Really accommodating means giving up power to please the other, and it is sometimes win-lose, sometimes lose-lose situation. It depends on the goal that you set. So we must be aware of that, and we must be selective of the approach and the style of solving the conflict. Communication is the key to change, key to empowerment, key to success. The key to communication is active listening. What does that mean? Ask yourself, do we really listen to the other? Because every time somebody is telling us something, before they finish their sentence, we are trying to give them advice. Oh, you should do that. Oh, you should do that. And so we don't really actively listen. Sometimes people don't want advice. People just want to express themselves, to relieve themselves, and to hear themselves. So there are 4 processes to a message. Therefore, first thing is sensing what is being said. We sense in the sentence, in the message, what is being sensed. Then our mind immediately interprets that which we sense. It is right, is it wrong, is it aimed at us or aimed at others? We are beginning to identify